Kamiti ino iratanywo kuhanyukia guthurimwo kwa maratathi maria mahuthikaga mutaratara-ini wa kugwatira mwana utari wa gwiciarira kuri aria maikitie ihoya kuhitukira ministry no.
This committee we are inaugurating today is expected to vet and verify all the precedent or requirements, complying and following all our laws, the Constitution of Kenya, international convention, to ensure that any child who is adopted in Kenya is done legally and properly.
Kamiti ino iratanywo gutungata ruhonge ruru miaka 3 yukite neruguritio o riri gukoretwo na wongerereku wa ciana iria cikaraga mikira-ini ya barabara kuringana na maumirira ma ruhonge rwa ndari ma mwaka muhituku.
They will be assisting, they are part of a judicial process because all adoptions must go through a court process, and this committee recommendation is what the court will be looking for when they are making their judgment or decision.
Ihinda-ini o riu Minister Chelugui augite ministry no niranyitanira na honge ingi niguo kuhukia ciiko cia tuiritu twa cukuru kuohanda riri macukuru mahingitwo kumana na gututhuka gwa COVID-19.
Sisi tuko macho na tunaamini kwamba tutaongeza juhudi zetu, tutaongeza maofisa hasa kulingana na ile ripoti tuliona. Tutaongeza maofisa, our children officers will increase them so that they can provide enough cover, enough oversight, enough service to our children.
Tauni iria ihutitio na njira nene ni kuongerereka gwa family cia kurura matauni-ini ni tauni ya Naikuru, Nairobi, Eldoret na Mombasa. Family ici ikirugamira 47,000 guothe bururi-ini. Gwiciarira Inoro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngigi wa Nyamu.